Hi, I'm Jeff McLeod. Welcome to my new channel. You're going to go on this journey with me to learn all about helium and everything indoor, outdoor. Looks like everything's going outdoor. We've ordered a lot of devices and it's hard to find someone to take free money. So we build, I guess we're going to build it all and put it outside now. So I'm collecting up this. You want less length, I found. So I bought one with less length, and another one's on the way that's direct to the miner. Remember to get the PoE, power over internet. I saw a lightning arrestor that would fit this. Actually, let me show you. What's a lightning arrestor? Never heard of one. Anyway, you put your antenna here, no pressure. Then, of course, the cable here, and then the copper wire is attached here and taken down to the ground, and it's attached to a lightning rod. What's a lightning rod? Well, Ben Franklin could have told you. So maybe the third grade we learned what a lightning rod was. Anyway, we're supposed to drive that all the way down till it hits possibly water to disperse the electricity under the ground, is the way it was explained to me. Or you can buy a copper plate and put it a few feet under the ground to disperse the electricity. But that's what we're supposed to do to protect your miner. Because if this gets struck with lightning, it goes straight to the miner, blows that up, and so now I understand what that's about. But what I wanted to tell you is I have a lightning arrestor with these connections, which will be really cool for the Bobcat. More devices. This is something to do with the solar panel, which I think is too big. But we'll find out. You're going to find out with me. More of these just because we need them. Don't know why, but we do. More connections, I guess. Here's more. These are buck converters. Okay. I'll find out what that means later as well. These are to seal those. So I guess this is going to look something like this. It'll come out of that. It'll be on the pole. This covered. So I'll keep you posted. We're going to keep buying the parts, and all of the little details will be posted as a resource page. Follow, click the like button, follow my page, and the little bell so you'll get a notification on my next video on how to be completely off grid with an outdoor enclosure. Totally new. I don't even know the language of it yet. I'm just buying the stuff and got to put it together. What I am finding before you go, all of the how-to videos exclude the little details. So that's what I'll include. See ya.